Alright, so this is my first time doing something like this. I will attempt to go through everything, but I have no idea what I'm doing, and I didn't see this video online, so that's the reason I'm posting it. But without further ado, this is the Deco Gear 35-inch curved gaming monitor. I think I paid $369. They had some kind of discount, but I'm pretty sure I saw it cheaper, or a comparable monitor through Monoprice or something that was a little bit cheaper, but they're definitely coming down a lot right now, so if you're interested, they are available. I'm gonna open it. Front, back, pretty generic. Oh, this might be one of those open it from the bottom type things. Also, my 4-year-old might be coming in here. Alright, let's see. Yes. Oh, that's where all the stuff is in the back there. And the monster itself. Pretty well packaged. Smells new. Oh, beastly. Yes. It's gorgeous. Oh, you can see. Nice. See if it'll stand up by itself over here. Slightly scary. What's that behind it? Less scary. Alright, so packaged pretty well. Next, we have one piece of a stand, two pieces of a stand. I don't think I'm going to read the directions, I'll just throw it together real quick. Let's see, power cable. Looks like our brackets might be for Vesta, I'm not sure. HDMI. What? No display. No DP port cord. That's sad. Oh well. Okay. Oh, there's the screws. Looks like these are for this. Alright, we're going to get this put together, and then I will show you what it looks like up on my desk.